How to add a stop on Lyft app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Lyft. Enter your login credential as in your phone number and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this homepage. Once you're in here, what you want to do is tap on the start icon where it says where are you going. In the start section, enter the location that you are in. Right in the middle of start and destination, you'll get to see the plus icon. Click on it. The add stop option will be available to you. You can select the location where you want to stop. You can also select the location from the map by tapping on set on map at the bottom. Once you have selected the exact location, tap on set stop. Also, you should know that you are only able to add one stop at times. Once you have added the stop, now select the destination that you want to go. And then tap on source at the bottom right corner. Now select the ride that you prefer and then tap on select Lyft at the bottom. After that, follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add a stop on Lyft app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.